Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Kia Seltos steering, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and setting ignition to accessory. Locate the tilt and telescoping lever under the steering column, then pull it to unlock movement. Adjust wheel angle and reach until your wrists rest on the top rim with arms slightly bent. Push the lever back to lock, then test for comfortable visibility and pedal reach before driving. Loosen the lever, then adjust tilt and reach so your hands sit at 9 and 3 with slight bend in elbows. Avoid extreme tilt that blocks the instrument cluster or airbags. Ensure the top of the wheel is no higher than your shoulders and at least 10 inches from your chest for airbag safety. After locking the lever, press the brake and make a short drive to confirm comfort. Adjust mirrors if needed before you drive. Check for play and odd noises when turning at low speed to spot power steering issues early. Inspect steering wheel centering and alignment by driving on a straight road and noting drift. If you feel vibration, pulling, or excessive play, check tire pressure, suspension components, and wheel alignment before assuming steering column faults. Schedule professional service if problems persist or if electronic steering assists show warning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.